How you can make a lot of money online. Money is not just something we need, it's something we want. We would like to have a comfortable lifestyle where we don't have to worry about paying our bills. In order to do this, one job often isn't enough, which is why many turn to online opportunities as detailed below. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards, and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Learning to make money online can take a lot of time. The easiest way to learn the ropes is to mingle with others who have common interests in the industry. Get with a guru, chat, and ensure the legitimacy of the websites you're on. Be willing to soak up information all of the time when making money online. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well, and respects you. If you have writing skill, use it to sell ebooks online. If you know a good amount about a particular subject, then you can educate the world and earn a few bucks doing it. If you cook, you might try selling a recipe ebook. When you need to make some extra income to pay bills or provide you with the luxuries you deserve, the advice in this video becomes priceless. Use these tips as you begin your career online. You will find that money will begin to stream in and your wallet will fatten up. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.